In today's class, we are looking at multiplication as a repeated addition. What did I say? Multiplication as a repeated addition. So, when you see 4 times 3, 4 times 3 means bring 4 into 3. It's the same thing as 4 plus 4 plus 4. So when you add 4 plus 4 plus 4, count out 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we add them together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 is equal to what? Is equal to 12. So your multiplication table, if you check 4 times 3, what will you see? 12. So in this case, whenever you hear multiply something, means to add that thing over and over according to the number of times indicated. Let's look at the next example. The next example, we have 8 times 2 is equal to what? 8 times 2, so what should be in this box? What we do is count 8 into 2 places. So we have 8 plus 8. So let me count out my 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's add together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 times 2 is what? 16. So check your multiplication table and find out what 8 times 2, whether our 16 is correct. You will discover it's correct. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's continue to the next example. Look at the next example. 2 times 4. So 2 times 4, what are we going to do? We're going to count out 2 into 4 places. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the second one. 1, 2, and the last one, 1, 2. So we have this number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So 2 into 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 4 is what? 8. You can see that it's very simple. It's easy to multiply numbers by adding that particular number repeatedly according to the number of times you are asked to multiply it. And that will give you the answer. See you in the next class. Bye.